In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete suggested email addresses in Gmail. If Gmail keeps suggesting email addresses you no longer want to see when you start typing in the to field, this quick settings change can help you take more control over those suggestions going forward. We'll walk through exactly where to find the setting and how to update it inside your Gmail account. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're on the main Gmail screen before moving on, because the setting we need is located inside the full Gmail settings menu. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens the quick settings panel, which gives you access to a few display options as well as the link to the complete settings area. From that panel, click See All Settings. This will take you into Gmail's full settings page, where you can manage more detailed preferences related to your account and how Gmail behaves. When the settings page opens, find the option labeled Create Contacts for autocomplete. Next to that, select I'll add contacts myself. This is the important change. By choosing this option, you're telling Gmail not to automatically create contacts based on the people you email. That helps prevent new suggested email addresses from being added automatically in the future. This step is especially useful if your suggestions have become cluttered over time, or if Gmail keeps surfacing addresses that are outdated, incorrect, or simply no longer relevant. Changing this setting gives you more control over which contacts are saved and used for autocomplete. After selecting that option, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This confirms the update and applies it to your Gmail settings. Once the changes are saved, Gmail will return you to your inbox. From this point on, Gmail should stop automatically creating new contacts for autocomplete, which can reduce unwanted suggestions over time. Keep in mind that this setting mainly stops future automatic suggestions from being created. If some suggested addresses are already appearing because they were previously saved, you may still need to clean those up separately in your Google Contacts or by removing old entries manually. And that's it. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make your Gmail experience feel much cleaner and more organized, especially if you send a lot of emails. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.